Okay, so I've had to do a little part 2 on this video because I forgot to put these shims in. So we'll be doing that just now. Nice and simple. Take this pin out, 8mm socket, take that pin out again, and put this and we'll clean this pin up before we put it back in, that's all. So if you hold the pads up, the pin will come out easier. Push it in, take the back one out first, I think. Shims clip on the back of it. It's not ready to go back in. Try not to put grease on the actual pad. We have it there, like that. Pull the pad hooked on at the top. That's it, you can feel it rotating. Push the caliper in. That'll make enough room. Get the back one in. Push the springs up, feel it. Right, just going to clean this. Basically, just need to clean that pin and put it back in, so we'll just end the video here. Okay, good luck, bye, ride safe.